Welcome everyone, glad to have you here. In today's video, we'll learn how to hide and unhide columns in Microsoft Excel easily. This feature helps keep your spreadsheet organized and lets you focus only on the data you need. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, locate the worksheet that contains the data where you want to hide certain columns. Then, select the columns you wish to hide by clicking the column letters at the top. After selecting them, right-click on the highlighted area. From the context menu that appears, click on Hide. Now those columns will disappear from view, making your sheet cleaner and easier to navigate. If you ever need to see those hidden columns again, here's what to do. Then, right-click on the selection and choose Unhide from the menu. The hidden columns will instantly reappear, showing all your data just as before. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.